Good morning, students. In previous class, we have studied about dogs, the qualities of dogs and how many types of dogs are found, kinds of dogs, and this. Now, today we will study a new poem that is At the Zoo. It is a poem all about zoo, the animals who lives in zoo. So here first the question arises, have you ever visited a zoo? Obviously you all have went to a zoo. In Patna Zoo you must have seen different types of animals, birds, and you must have enjoyed a lot. You must have watched the activities of zoo animals living in zoo. So here we will read the poem. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguins strutting round the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. Okay, this is the poem all about the zoo. Again, I will read once again the poem, and then I will give you the explanation. Be careful what you say or do. When you visit the animals at the zoo, don't make fun of camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguins starting round the lake strutting round the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. Written by Eileen Mathias. Okay. At the end of the poem, there are words given and its meaning, which are in bold. The words which are in bold letters, its meaning is given. Hump. Hump means rounded, projecting part. Have you seen camel? Camel का पीठ जो रहता है वो राउंड शेप का होता है, पीछे से उठा हुआ, like a mountain type. So that is called hump. Next, noble. The deserve praise. Noble means praise, किसी की तारीफ. Royal. Strutting means moving about proudly. बिल्कुल proudly चलना, इतरा के, घमंड में, that I am the best. Okay. So here the poet wants to say that whenever you go to the zoo, just be careful. Don't try to make fun of animals. Before entering the zoo, you must be very careful because animals understands. Sometimes what you all do, you throw bananas, stones on the animals. They become angry. They don't like this activities. They feel that you hurt them. But if you will treat them nicely, then they will also treat you. And if you will not beat them, smile at them, you will enjoy their activities. They will enjoy also with you. If you throw stones or any peels, कोई छिलका फेंक दोगे, banana peels or any type of popcorns, throw it. If you give any eatable items by throwing, animals understand. They understand the sign language of the human beings. So while doing such type of behavior, you should be careful, because if you will do like this, they will just go inside their cage and they won't come. Okay, so you should treat them nicely. All further, the poet says that never make fun of animals. Everyone is having their own qualities. Sometimes you make fun of your friends. Good, see how black he is, see how fat he is. He is not a good looking. Same way, some animals have their own qualities. Everyone has its own quality. For example, camel hump. Camel का जो पीठ होता है वो उठा पड़ता है. That is his beauty. You can't make fun of it. He is very proud of it. It is his beauty. He feels very proud on his hump. That is bump. Don't laugh too much at chimpanzee. Whenever you see chimpanzee, you start laughing by seeing his activity and all this. But chimpanzee understands the language of human beings. Have you seen chimpanzee? You must have watched that whatever activities you will do, chimpanzee will copy you. He is a very wise animal. Wise means बहुत अक्लमंद होता है. तुम जैसे करोगे वो तुमको वैसे ही करके दिखाएगा. So be careful while treating with animals. And the penguins understands the remarks. It walks very proudly. Penguins feels that it is very beautiful. He is very proud of on himself. And treat them as you do. तुम जैसा उसको treat करोगे, you will get in return. If you will treat them nicely, animals will also treat you nicely, and you will be always welcome. If you treat them badly, it will enter into its cage and not come to show you. Then you will feel bad. If you treat them if you will treat them in a good manner, you will be always welcomed in the zoo. No one, all the animals, if you will give them banana in a good manner, you will do different types of activities. If you will try to say bye to him, such type of activities animals like. Okay, and then you will always feel like going to visit them, and animals will also love you. So always try to treat animal nicely, otherwise they will be hurt and you will also not feel good, because they are animals, it doesn't mean that you can hurt them. Animals also needs attention and care. The much you care them, the much you give them attention, in return you will receive. Okay, this is all about at the zoo. In zoo, there are many types of varieties of animals you must have seen and you will see. And you like to watch them, and they also like that everyone is coming to see me. They observe. Okay, so always try to behave in a good manner with the animals. Okay, class? In next page, there are some exercises. That is, the animals in the zoo. Prepare a poster to be put on the gate outside the zoo, but they have left some blanks in it. Write do or do nots in the blank to give the correct message. Add 2 instructions of your own. Here, what you have to do, only you have to write do and do or do not in front of the given line. Okay, that कौन सा एक्टिविटीज तुम्हें करना चाहिए एनिमल्स के साथ और कौन सा नहीं. ठीक है, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टेक केयर व्हाट यू से और डू टू अस. डू टेक केयर व्हाट यू से और डू टू अस. ठीक है, डू नॉट टेक केयर अगर भरोगे तो ये गलत हो जाएगा. ऑलवेज डू टेक केयर what you say or do to us. It is all about the animals. Make fun of us. Do not make fun of us. कभी भी एनिमल का फन नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए, मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. Do not laugh at us. उनकी एक्टिविटीज, बिहेवियर, खाने का स्टाइल and everything, we should not laugh at them. We should enjoy. Okay. Pass bad remarks. Do not. कभी भी bad remarks नहीं पास करना चाहिए. They will feel bad. By your activities and behavior, they can observe that you are just passing bad remarks to them. Okay. So never pass bad remarks to the animals. Treat us well. Do treat us well means animals के साथ अच्छा behave करना चाहिए. Clear? Next exercise is a rhyming words. Rhyming words क्या होता है? Rhyming words ऐसा words होता है जिसमें फर्स्ट लाइन और थर्ड लाइन या सेकेंड लाइन या लास्ट लाइन का लास्ट वर्ड का 2 वर्ड बिल्कुल सिमिलर होना चाहिए, मिलना चाहिए इन प्रोनाउंसिएशन. ऐसे वर्ड्स को राइमिंग वर्ड्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डू का राइमिंग वर्ड्स क्या हो जाएगा? जू. डू जू, ओ मिल रहा है. नेक्स्ट, हम्प का बम्प. एमपी एंड में मिल रहा है तो हम्प का बम्प. चिंपैंजी का हो जाएगा मी. लेक का मेक. यू का जू. क्लियर? Today we will discuss till here only, and in next class again I will tell you about the rhyming words. Okay class, thank you. Hope you all have enjoyed the poem, and we will continue the poem again. Thank you. Have a good day.